these houses first. I got Tracer behind me in the XX. We're gonna see where this trail goes. It's pretty crazy because last night we went up this trail and then we forked off to the right and we were in all those red rocks. They're kind of down over here. Something going on here. I got a little bit of an exhaust leak from when my motor shifted and it ended up bending kind of the exhaust. Kinda wish I had four-wheel drive. watering hole. There we go. Man, I am in love with the suspension though. Like, those are some pretty big ruts. Like nothing. Everything's gonna look a little bit more aggressive because it is mounted on my helmet. She's running like crap. I'd rather be a little rich though. Yeah, this suspension is dialed. I don't want to fall in one of those ruts. Those things will eat you up. And you don't know if people are on this trail, so we're taking it real easy. This is kind of like a private trail. There's not a lot of people that come up this stuff. Some big boulders though. Like we found a lake over here on the right side. Might be people here. It's pretty cool. Maybe we'll stop here and just do a once over. Make sure Tracer's with us. Well, got out to do a once over. And that looks like diff fluid. Smells like diff fluid. Shit. Well, there goes the diff. I'm not even joking, yeah. And I didn't bring my spare diff.
The billet diff?
The Packard billet diff.
Dude, too much power.
Dude, it's on dirt. How come I broke this diff on dirt twice?
Do you think sand would be harder? What was it doing?
It kind of made a couple clunks and I was like, what was that? And that was brand new fluid.
Yeah, it's spitting out something.
That means that pinion bearing left the chat, and then...
And your belt. It's your belt.
Oh yeah, I'm missing that too. Wow. What a sweet ordeal here.
You sure that's not the whole thing? Is this what you heard?
No, that's definitely not happy. That was brand new fluid when I got here.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, it ain't brand new anymore.
Bet you that thing's toasty too. Yeah, those, you can't even touch those stubs. Well, you can touch them, but you can't hold them.
I don't see why it can't hold up.
Dude, it's time for a real diff, but that's $5-6 grand.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. But then you get Dana 30 gear set, and then I gotta change everything. The driveline's gotta go.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I welded that driveline. How does my...
Your garage weld?
Yeah, my garage weld's holding up better than this Packard billet diff.
Yeah, well, that sucks, dude. We were ripping, too.
I literally drained the fluid before we came up here. completely fine fluid, and then on dirt, this is when it happens.